Hi there, I'm Astha Tatia. I'm a happiness coach and I am here for my Sunday trek. Look at this. It's a beautiful, beautiful place, lovely weather. And you know, every trek that I do, हर trek पर जब मैं जाती हूँ, it's a different challenge. हर बार ये ख्याल आता है, ये सही है, नहीं है, जाना चाहिए, risky है. And there is a fear also, which stops me, which holds me back at times. But I think that's where the brain is challenged, and every time I overcome that, I go beyond it and I climb, I go up. वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद two things happen. One, of course, the view is phenomenal. You feel wow, thank you, I've come here. And जो barrier break किया है, जो अपने आप के beyond जाकर वहाँ पहुँची हूँ मैं, that is next level. Yeah. So that is exactly why I'm talking about this experience of my trek. It's because being part of Internet Moguls of the World School, being part of Avi's school is exactly like this. It's kind of an analogy I'm drawing here, because with Avi, I think every time I overcome that fear, I've been able to, the journey in this past couple of months has been very, very amazing. I've overcome so many barriers of mine, and it's exactly the same feeling that you have somebody who's there to hold your hand. Trek में भी जैसे किस तरह से होता है, you have a group of people who are motivating you, who are out there to tell you that let's do it, who motivate you, who are there with you, and that gives you so much of strength. वो community, Internet Moguls जो community है, that is such a huge strength, and that flows from the leader. I think the person who's at the helm, how is he, who is he, how does he, the being, that impacts the people below, and that is what flows in the community. It is phenomenal. Everybody is out there charged up. I was part of other communities also, but जो momentum, जो action में मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ, and I think that's where we get stopped. हमें कई बार पता होता है क्या करना है, लेकिन हम एक्शन लेते नहीं हैं, confused, because there is explosion of information. हर कोई 10 तरीके बताने के लिए बैठा है, वो है, बट क्या करें, अगला स्टेप कैसे लें, It's on the trek also, you're like, इधर जाएं, ये कदम ऐसे रखें, and then there is somebody who guides you, hey, go slow, do it this way. That is what happens here also. That's where, you have that faith that Avi is there and he's going to just do it, He's going to hold my hand. I am taken care of. He has my back. I think वो trust, वो faith होना बहुत बड़ी बात है. और वो support मिलना, that, what is that step that I can take now? अच्छा, अब क्या करूँ? मैं lost हूँ? Put it in the community and everybody is out there to help. Avi is there to help. I think all these years, what I was missing, especially after I got into coaching, building my business was a very, very big thing. I can become an excellent coach, but equally important is to be, to develop my business, and that is where I was lacking somewhere. I've got a clear path now, direction. I have started to make videos every day. I was making videos earlier, but you can't imagine the kind of confidence I've gotten now, the spontaneity I have. I make videos so easily, designing the whole thing on the thumbnail on Canva, putting hashtags. The whole process now takes me just a couple of minutes, So obviously, the more you do something, you get better at it. And making videos, to my mind, has been the best thing that's happened to me, because people love to watch you. It's the easiest way to send out your message, to literally, convey your message, to talk to people, any part of the world, right? And that is happening beautifully through videos. And I'm getting better at it every day. And I think I'm just loving this journey. So a big, big, big thank you to Avi for, what he's doing to people around, what he's done to me. And I'm going to be launching my webinar just the next month. So people are calling me. I'm just going to be launching my webinar, and which is super, super, super exciting for me. Wouldn't have happened without Avi. So thank you so much. And what I would say is, if you are stuck somewhere, don't know what action to take, you want that clarity, then go ahead and join, come for the webinar. It is going to be an experience worth it. Just don't think about it. Join the webinar, and trust me, you'll have an experience.